Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this Neon Graffiti Gradient. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco's Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. For my base color today, I'm going to be using Holo Taco One Coat Black, and then for my stamping, I'm going to throw it way back, and I'm going to be using my Conad White Special Polish. For the gradient, I'm going to be using Holo Taco High Def, Box Office Bomb, Life in Plastic, Anti-Hero, and Be Kind Rewind. And once I have my base color applied, I'll be protecting around my nails with some liquid latex. Today I'm going to be using this scribbly design from the What's Up Nails A022 plate, and I'm just going to apply the polish on, scrape it, and then pick it up. If there are any extra bits, I'm going to use my scraper to kind of pull those off of the stamper head, and then I'm going to aim the tip of the scribble toward the corner of my nail and stamp it on. Then I'm going to pick up the same design again, reverse it, fill in the bottom part of my nail, and then move on to the next nail. I added a layer of quick dry top coat to keep the stamping and the base color from coming up in the sponging, and there were a few strange reactions and a little bit of smearing, but hopefully the benefits outweigh the drawbacks. I'm gonna go ahead and build my gradient here on the sponge, and then I'm going to be applying it on my nail at an angle to match the stamping. I removed the latex after the final layer of sponging, and now I'm going to go back for the final cleanup around the edges using my usual small brush dipped in acetone. Once the cleanup is complete, I'm going to finish everything off with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I'm in love with how this turned out. When I first got this collection as PR, I was leaning toward doing a water marble, but after playing around with the colors for a bit, this developed, and I think it really nails that retro vibe. They're a little bit tricky to capture on camera, but I do want to give you guys some flashlight time to hopefully bring out that holo. And if you'd like to see my first impressions of the collection as well as the extended tutorial for this manicure, that's up now over on my VODs channel. Or if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow at twitch.tv/Colette MSLP. And if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you guys think down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.